Where can your reseller business take you? Well, I'm going to show you the fabulous place that we got to go on vacation because of the excess money I make reselling online. Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm in beautiful Cozumel, Mexico, and yes, this is a real place. If you start making money with your reselling business, this too can be yours. I'm just gonna let you enjoy the view a little bit while I talk, but we were able to take our entire family on a cruise, and one of the stops is Cozumel, Mexico. We got an excursion to this island. It's awesome and amazing. We've already been snorkeling and rode a 40-minute ride catamaran to this private island. It's all you can eat, everything included, and my kids are off having a blast. And people come to you and feed you drinks, ask you what you want about every 2 seconds. And so it's amazing. We've done swimming. I've actually even laid in a hammock in the water, which is superb. But it's just a gorgeous view and something to aspire to with your reselling business. And so this could be you. Just keep up the good work, give yourself a goal, and you too could be vacationing just like this. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.